Hey guys. Hey guys. Hola. Today I lost. I lost a trade. But the thing is, I had proper risk management. So I was able to not lose as much as it was meant to be done. And because of that, let's celebrate. I'll let you guys celebrate by watching me do this shit naked, guys. Beauty cannot be contained. All right, lock in. So let's actually start off. This was on my eval for some reason. Actually, not for some reason. This shit reset. My eval reset. And I was only up a bit. Here's my executions. Everything you guys need to know. So, why did I lose? This was a winning trade. Why did I lose? It's because I got greedy. Because usually what happens is when you have a news. Usually when you have news like this, we take out the data highs and we always try to come back down to take out the data lows. But for some reason today we did not go and try to take out the data low. So so basically, let me run you guys down through my entry model. All right? So, we had this sweep, bang, right? High time frame sweep. Then what we did is we ran down and inverse a 3-minute fair value gap and changed standard delivery on the 3 minute. Right? You see that. So that was my entry. The change standard delivery on the 3 minutes. That was my entry. It did come up into the kind of BPR, the 3-minute BPR. This would have been a better entry, in my opinion. But yeah, so I was risking about like $500 here. The payout would have been like, I don't even know. I think I was risking like actually like 420 or something like that. I don't know. It was 4 contracts in. You guys could do the calculations. I don't really care. And my take profit actually wasn't even at -4. I brought this down. I brought this up here because I didn't want to seem too greedy. In all honesty, my take profit was down here, bro. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Okay, I'm cooked. I was trying to hit a clip. I was trying to hit a montage clip, but that was my downfall because the setup. First of all, I entered prematurely. I actually thought it was gonna touch this BPR, but for some reason, like I'm like, oh shit! Like I seen this quick reaction off the CISD. I'm like, fuck. Okay, I gotta enter. I think I even entered a little later, like this. But yeah, that was a fat ass stop loss. The better entry would have been off of the 3-minute BPR that I was originally expecting. Having my stops here, my stops were there originally. I don't know why I didn't put it up or, and just targeted the low right there, the swing low right here, the -2 standard deviation. This would have been a perfect setup. This is a really nice setup that I could have taken, but no chat. I had to enter prematurely, which is bad, and I had to target these greedy lows. I'm a greedy little boy. So that's my mistake. My bad. But here's where I actually kind of praise myself a little bit, which is kind of bad, but I understand, but it's okay. So I had like perfect risk management here. So I took off a contract right there, 4 contracts in, now I'm 3 contracts. I thought it might have gone, would have continued going lower, but for some reason we kept like we were like, not for some reason. I genuinely thought we were gonna inverse these 15-minute fair value gaps, but we respected this 15-minute fair value gap right there, which also aligned with the 1-minute sweep. I just took off positions right here because I'm like, okay, there might be a little reversal, and I tightened my stops like this. So technically, like this brought it down. So originally it was 400, 420, 480 that I was like risking. Then it came down to like around 300. I tightened my stops for a $200 loss. And then plus the profits, I only lost 160 today, which is perfect risk management. You don't understand. It's 50K funded. Losing 160 is kind of good, bro. That's actually, so it's a good day. But this was a winning trade setup, but I guess my greed got the best of me because I moved the TP down here. I saw 1.5K. I'm like, geez. And then plus like the reason why I did 1.5K is because once I hit my TP, that would have went down a little to maybe like 1.2K, and then I would have been not violating the consistency rules. So I don't know, man. I'm just a little greedy boy. But yeah, that's a mistake that I've done on my behalf. I'm sorry, guys. But yeah, I literally closed the charts after this loss. Or actually, I even to be honest with you, I closed the charts once I hit take profit and I moved my stop loss. But yeah, it kept going up. To be honest with you, this would have been a perfect long entry, but I'm just stupid, Mortys. All right, bye.